Hello everyone and welcome to the Whimsy Stamps YouTube channel. I'm so glad you could join me. This is Dawn. I'm here to share a quick product reveal video for the Whimsy Stamps Gnome Warm Wishes stamp set. This is a 5x7 stamp set and it's a 17-piece set. I'm going to stamp it out so you can see what the images look like when they're stamped. There are 14 images in the set and 3 sentiments. The little images measure anywhere from 3 1/4 inches tall to 1.5 inches tall, and the larger images are approximately 2 inches tall to 2 3/4 inches tall by 1 5/8 wide to 3 inches wide. I have a card I want to share with you. I used the Gnome Warm Wishes stamp set, and I used the gnome's house, and I decorated the tree with the lights. And I paired it up with the Slimline Frozen Paper pack and the Happy Saying stamp set. And that completes my product reveal for today. I hope you enjoyed this release, and don't forget to head on over to the Whimsy Stamps website and check out the entire release that is available today. Also, we would love for you to subscribe to all the Whimsy Stamps social media platforms so you don't miss out on any new releases and inspirational videos. As always, thanks for stopping by and have yourself a wonderful day.